Hello, good morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters. My good pal Cookie and I are here to tell you all about our fun craft that we're doing this week. So maybe you can guess what we talked about this week at story time. What did we talk about? Cookies! Yes! So the craft that you guys are going to be making, it's super fun. So, hey Cookie, you just hang out right there and I will show them how to make it. Okay, so here's the craft that you're gonna make. Looks just like a little cookie jar, right? But wait, what's in it? Oh my goodness. You've got all of these cute little cookies in your cookie jar because this is a cookie memory game, which is one of my favorite games to play. And of course, one of his favorite things too, because he loves cookies. What you're going to get when you come by the library to pick up your supplies, you will get this sheet right here that has matching sets. So there's 2 of each different kind of decorated cookie on the sheet. So you're going to cut all of those out. This is going to be your cookie jar. So you'll color that in however you like and cut those out, and you'll use your glue stick and just put a little bit of glue right around the edges of one of your sheets, and then you'll glue them together, just not at the top. We want to leave that open so that we can put our cookies in the cookie jar when we're not using them. And it's a handy dandy way to carry them around wherever you might want to play your cookie memory game, because we all love cookies, of course, right? Yeah. So I hope that you enjoy making this craft. It's loads of fun. And of course, I hope you love playing the cookie memory game. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time right here on Curbside Crafting at the Maitland Public Library. Bye.